Beautiful. I want to say welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to make you something really so simple, easy and nice. We're going to make you some tuna and we're going to make you some pasta. Tuna and pasta. This is a simple recipe for people who are working very hard. You know, you come home, you want to do something for the kids. This is a simple. Well, first of all, you need a medium-sized pot right here with some water inside of it. As you can see, I'm already have my pot on the fire because the water already hot. But as you can look, you can see so far, the water is almost 3/4 of the pot. But I'm using a medium-sized pot. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put some olive oil in the water. The water is starting, as you see that bubbling is coming from the water. That means the water is getting hotter and hotter. What I'm going to do, first of all, let's put some olive oil inside of the water. Just like this. Then next, what we're going to do, we're going to put some salt inside of it. I'm going to use my measuring spoon and put a spoon of salt inside of it. Just like this. Not too much. Beautiful. Right over here, I got some pasta. Some twist pasta. This twist pasta right here, I'm going to tell you, is 500 grams. And so far, I'm just going to give the water a few more minutes. Because the better for the pasta is when the water starts to get boiled. Boil in the water first, then you have your pasta straight inside of it. And you get a perfect cook. Cook it for about 10 minutes. Lovely one. Enjoy the recipe. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put the camera straight inside of the frying pan. I'm going to fry up the tuna. In the meantime, we're going to add some seasoning. We got some mixed seasoning like some pepper and spring onion and white onion. And then we're going to fry up the tuna. So you guys are going to love this recipe. It's just a simple little recipe for you to enjoy. Enjoy the recipe from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Beautiful. So right here is my frying pan right here, which I'm going to fry off my tuna inside of it. Then I got my frying pan, I'm pre-warming at the moment on a low temperature. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simple add a little bit of olive oil. You must have said this chef loves to use olive oil. But you know, I love to use olive oil, cook with it. And I want to introduce it to something next. I'm going to come with you something really nice, is coconut oil. It's beautiful to use, cook with it. Then, as you can see, my oil is getting hot at the moment. Then what I'm going to do, I got some seasoning right here. I'm going to simple take my little time and put in some peppers, mixed pepper. And I got a little bit of garlic also inside of it, and I have some white onion, which I'm already prepped. Just make you guys to see right here. This is it right here. And I have a few little bits of carrot inside of it, which I'm already prepped. Beautiful recipe, man. Look at that. That is just really nice and beautiful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna fry up this for a couple of minutes inside of it. I want you guys to just look what I'm doing. Look at that. That is just beautiful and nice. So we're going to fry this roughly about 4 minutes inside of this pot right here. Lovely one. So right here my water started to get boiled, as you can see. I'm going to take off the cover right here. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add my twist pasta straight inside of it. Just like this. Look at that. That is just beautiful and nice. I'm using 500 grams of the twist pasta. Give it a little stir just like this. God, I want to say, there's a lot of people don't know even how to cook pasta. So pasta is so easy and simple to cook, man. I'm just telling you. I know you guys are gonna love this little recipe, which I'm just giving up this evening for you to use with. Beautiful. Then what you're gonna do next? Just put a little bit of herb inside of it. Just a pinch of a herb, some mixed herb inside of the water like this, just to bring up the flavor. And then I give it a little spin, just like this. Leave it for roughly goodly. Give it roughly about 10 minutes to get that nice beautiful cook. Then cover it up and leave it there for 10 minutes to get that perfect cook. Put your fire on a medium flame, not too high, because you don't want it to boil and boil all over. Beautiful. You can see where I'm doing my tuna right here. I'm taking off the veg inside of this frying pan. I want to say you can cut your veg a little small, and you can cut it any way you like it. But as you can see, I'm just taking off the veg. So, as you can see, I'm taking it out. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply show you. This is 3 tins of tuna right here. And I'm saying you can go, tuna is local, you can go to any shop and buy 3 tins of tuna. and put it to the strainer and drain off the oil and that water off of it. Then we're just gonna straight inside of this, just like that. Look at that beautiful tuna, what she's gonna do right now. So you're gonna see a little bit of different of this tuna now. Look at that, beautiful. As you can see, looking really nice. So we're gonna fry up this for a couple of minutes. So in the meantime, let's check on the pasta to see how the pasta looks. So as you can see, the pasta is boiling right over there. So I'm giving it a roughly good 10 minutes with a boil. Lovely one. Let's look back on your tuna. Nice one. So as you can see, we are frying it up right here. Beautiful one, man. I know you guys are gonna love this. Look at that. So what we're gonna do to make it more easy, we're gonna simply put a little ghost pepper in the inside of it, not too much. Then we're gonna add a little bit of ketchup inside of it. Beautiful, look at that. Really nice. Give it a little stir. Nice one. So I'm gonna change the color a little bit. Beautiful, look at that. Nice one. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply look at it and see how it look. Beautiful. I know it was boiling so hard a while ago, so I'm just gonna give it a simple little check to see how the pasta them stay. Beautiful. So all you need to do is just continue, check your pasta. Look at this. This is just beautiful and nice. So I'm gonna check this one. Yeah, good. Nice one. The twist pasta is ready. Turn off your stove because you don't want to overcook it too much. That you get too soft, and you don't want it to be too soft. You know, because when you drain it off, the heat inside of it gonna still cooking it. So I'm gonna drain off this water and make you guys can see what is going on. So this is finished. Beautiful. We're gonna check on the tuna now. So I'm gonna check on the tuna to see what the tuna look like. Beautiful. Look at that. That is just really nice. I love this, man. Look at this. This is just so simple. What I want to say to you, I just use half of a carrot, half of a spring onion, half of a white onion, half of the mixed pepper, inside of it some ketchup, and drain out the tuna. Beautiful little recipe, simple and nice and easy. Put a little bit of pepper inside of it, you know, and then that's it. And some olive oil. Right here, you can teach it. Any little kids can sit and watch this video and cook pasta and tuna for mommy. Lovely when mommy come from work, mommy have something to eat. So this is my big idea for these who want to learn how to cook pasta and tuna. But I know they love pasta and tuna. And then my next video which is gonna come is gonna show you can do jacket potato and your tuna. Beautiful recipe. This is finished. So we're gonna share it out and make you guys see how it look on the plate. Beautiful recipe. Nice one. Look at this. Beautiful. Pasta right here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put on some simple, put on the tuna on top of it, just like this. I want you guys to see what I'm doing. So as you can see, this is looking really nice and beautiful. I want you guys to enjoy this recipe. Guys, it's a simple little recipe. And I know there's a lot of people who cannot cook even the pasta and the tuna. They can do it, but not the way probably mommy and daddy would cook it. Then what we're gonna do next, we have a little cheddar cheese right here. We're gonna put a little cheddar cheese on top of it, just like this. And I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe. And this is a beautiful recipe for when mommy and daddy come from work, they can have it. So your little 15-year-old, the one can start learn to cook your pasta and tuna right here. It's so simple. It's just, you don't even need to use so much like peppers and spring onion. You can simply use a simple little bit. Just get a little oil and you can fry off your tuna and put a little ketchup just to change the color. And this is a nice, lovely meal for when mommy come from work or for when daddy come from work. I want you guys to just enjoy the recipe, and please put your comments below and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking program, and see you in my next video with my jacket potato and tuna coming soon. Enjoy the recipe. Bye.